Hi friends, this is Sarah from Crafting and Relaxing. Welcome. This is Smash That Small Pad. It's put on by Bourbon Creek Crafts here on YouTube. Stampin' Cat joins us on Instagram, and those links are down below. This month, I smashed this dog pad from Violet Studio. Maybe it's from one of our big box stores here in the US, I think. Tony sent this to me, and it's dogs and a whole bunch of pink, and the pink didn't even slow me down because the dogs were so cute. These are my only scraps right here, so I'll throw those in my dog and cat bins and see what happens. I brought in some die cuts and little shapes that I had in my stash, this paper I had in my stash, and It's a Rough Life. I used this to do more smashing in my pet bin of my stash, kind of like I did on a previous video, but I used up all this paper. So here we go. This was ephemera that was in my stash too, and these dogs our friend Mary made for me. Mary's a member here on my channel. Dogs leave paw prints on your heart. The dog is in charge, and I brought in a sparkly bowl. I was just going through my ephemera. This, my friend Noni made, and I had some paper that had a whole bunch of words, and when I was chopping them up, I thought, what am I going to do with true love? Well, for dogs, yes. Live like someone left the gate open. I took a photo of this and sent it to one of my neighbors because my buddy Bandit down the street, when the gate is open, he comes to my house. And he's actually black and white, but I didn't have the right card set up for this one, but I love this one, makes me laugh. Woof, and again, these are ones that Mary colored for me. And then I brought in just a little woof because I was trying to give it a little bit of balance. Happiness starts with a wet nose and ends with a tail, and we have a doghouse and a dog. Some of these I might keep, and then I'll check with the rescue and see if she's made a dent in the last batch she got. Best friends are the ones with paws, and I inked that. It was a sentiment that was all white, and I inked it. Noni was crafting next to me, and she had tons of ink pads, so I just picked one that was pinkish and went for it. And I love this guy in front of his doghouse. You Are Loved, and all of these are ones that Noni made, and this is just stuff out of my stash. Papers I've kept, different things. Again, this got happy mailed to me, so I have a dog in a doghouse. Thinking of You, and I used a really floral piece of paper that I had left over from some other small pad smash like this. And so we have a cute Thinking of You. It doesn't have to be dog focused, right? You could just send it to somebody that likes dogs. Same here with Thanks So Much, and it was a scrap card where I was using them up. And another Thanks So Much. I think somebody was playing with this sketch lately. Maybe it was our friend Beth on Bourbon Creek Crafts. And so I got inspired by that. Thanks. This one has a paw brad. You know, brads, we forget to use them. And I had this thanks already cut and with me. Dog. Two different. This one I think came from an ephemera pack. And then somebody happy mailed me this lovely dog right here. And I just love them sitting together. You can hear mine barking. He's mad at somebody. Thinking of You. It's the same layout as this other one, just turned. Those are my cards for today. I hope that you got inspired. Here, if you've been around a while here, you're surprised by all the pink, but hey, you know, when you have dog paper, you just gotta use it. I don't think I'm gonna make any more dog cards anytime soon. I think that's what, 2 or 3 videos with dog cards in them. So I think the rescue is well stocked after she gets these. For Smash Our Stash on the 7th, I am knocking some unfinished objects off the list. Big changes, super exciting. All right, thanks so much for watching. I hope you're taking time for crafting and relaxing. Bye-bye.